Go get your backpack. Come on, let's go. Put it away. So get everything. Get water, lunch.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. So hahatid nila natin sila sa school kasi yung bus nila is hindi mag-run today. So kailangan natin sila ihatid sa school.
Look up.
What? The moon. Yeah.
The
moon. Alright, let's go. So hatid natin sila sa school. Really? Let's go. Oops. So it is 6:49.
Mom, can we listen?
That was so fast.
Which one?
Yeah, so we're done. So we're gonna go get some McDonald's para kumain yung dalawang bagyats ng nuggets. So dito tayo sa gas station. So sinatadya kumakain na siya ng nuggets niya. Chor, do you want your nuggets? How was your nugget, baby? It's good? Medyo sinisipon-sipon si ate girl. Troy's sleeping. Yeah, we have to fix your hair, baby. More bus. So we're in the line. And then after dito, pupunta tayo sa, where we going? Walmart? Yeah, we're going to Walmart para bumili ng costume nila. Kuyas and Caleb's are here. I know, right? So, that's daddy nag-ano, binigyan ni daddy ng mga cookies. They got quiet. We got Oreo.
Y'all welcome.
Nanahimik.
They good, Troy?
Oh, hey, Mommy, didn't you know that food gives you energy?
Yes.
Yes.
And also, it's fuel for your body.
Yes.
Me too.
And
And plus,
dito na kami sa Walmart. What's this?
there's a pumpkin right there.
Yeah. Ayan na si Noah. Look, Sissy. The princess.
That's just for me.
Yeah, princess for you. Oh, there's more right here.
So you want to see it? Oh, sis, look, there's Wonder Woman.
Look, oh, look at that. There's the shoes. There's the shoes.
Yeah, you think they are? Look, look at this.
Oh my lord. Ito talaga gusto niya si Witch eh. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello.
What do y'all want to do for
Hello, hello, hello. You want that? Which one do you want?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
There's Among Us. Play with Bat right there.
Right there,
Right
Chad.
in front of you.
Oh.
There's a dinosaur. Wow. You want a ninja? We want Power Ranger?
Oh, there's a Pokemon. Look at you.
Yeah, but there's two of them. You.
I don't think it's two. I think it's some order.
What is that?
Warden. Minecraft Warden.
Chad. There's Fortnite right here, Chad. Chissy, come here. Right there, Fortnite. Caleb. Is that your size? Is that your size? Look for your size.
Fortnite where?
Up there, Fortnite.
There's a couple different ones. We got 8-Ball, Grimy.
Right there. This is 810.
Chad, let me see it.
This is 8. It isn't that I'll
Here, there's another one right here. What is that? Who's that?
That's
Ender Dragon.
You gotta carry the fan that comes with you to blow it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that boy. He already grabbed the
Troy,
Power
is that your
Ranger.
size?
No, 6 to 7. So I think, look at her.
Small? Too big?
Yeah, I think so. So he's just 5. You don't want it? Go put it back. Go put it back.
Yeah, it's an Avenger shield. Put it down. That's the sword from Halo. That's the sword from Halo. It's a game.
Okay, go find your costume. Go.
I want to be
You want to be Steve.
They don't have one small enough for you. Maybe next year you can be Steve.
Wala si ate girl, oh.
Maybe how about an Ender Dragon?
No, that's a.
Look.
Power, there's Spider-Man, Troy.
Yeah, but it's a.
What? No, we can look for the sons. Nah, they're all big. I think he's in the other side. Or he's a girl. Oh.
I don't know if it would be. You think it might be too big?
I mean,
Where's she at?
she's right there.
Joy, come with me for a minute. We're gonna go and see if we can find that Spider-Man real fast. You wanna be
There's a
Spider-Man?
Star Wars, Chad. Here, there's a Star Wars.
You gotta find a small one for Troy.
I can't just take it.
No, that's not yours. You gotta put that back. Chad. Chad. There's a Chad. There's a Star Wars.
Yeah, no, I've been Mandalorian.
Oh, okay. You don't want that. Naku po, ang arte ninyo ay. Hoy, ate girl, that's not yours. You need to find for 10 to 12 of, I think. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Where did you get that?
No, but I put it right here.
Okay, well, where did you get that, Caleb?
There was like.
They're probably gone now.
Man, this one's left.
Sissy, ha? Don't go nowhere, baby. Diyos ko, kaka-ano lang, napaka-ano namang mga costume na ito. You got the spider?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. They don't have Fabty?
Hey, Daddy, look.
You don't have to talk to you about it. Wow.
Daddy, look. Oh, yeah.
Alright, go put yours in the buggy. So, ayan. Nakahanap na si Chad tsaka si Caleb ng costume nila.
You want to be Spider-Man, Troy?
I do want
Put it in there.
I do want mine. I want to be in here.
Caleb, you're saying that there's no... Oh, this is Chad. Okay. Yeah, so that's Chad.
He's
And this is Caleb. Minecraft. Hi, Sissy, you have to put that back. Let's go get your costume. Come on. Ay, nako. Ang daming pahirapan, besh. Do you want this pink one? Okay. You guys get your color. Get your colors. I don't know. Where? Alright, get your bucket.
Dragon's breath is
There's
purple.
blue right here.
There's purple right there.
There's
I'm
purple.
choosing purple because it's the kind of. Mom,
Why are you getting purple?
cuts.
It don't matter.
There's
Just get your color what you want.
I can just shoot a dragon. Mom, did you know that the warden?
Chad, there's a blue one in the back.
I know.
And let's color to the warden.
No, you're only getting one. Yeah, don't get purple. That's for a girl. Or you can get this green right here. Which one do you want, Troy?
Troy, what color basket do you want?
There's a green one. You want the orange one? The happy one? Okay, give that to Troy, Sissy.
Do you want this?
Yeah.
Chad, did you get one? Get the basket. No, we don't have time to think. Just get some basket.
I think y'all two should get the black ones.
Yeah, just get the black one. There you go. Get another one on the bottom. There you go. Ay, nako. Gulo nyo, ah. Because they had that last year. Ah. Trick or treat. You like yours?
Stand down there.
You like your basket? Troy, you like your basket? All right. All right, let's go get Sissy's costume. Come on. Oh my God! Look at my baby. Look at my baby. It's 15 bucks. I ain't getting that.
Here you go. I'm buying it for you.
Hoy!
I'll buy it for you.
I don't have money for that. Alright. Who's that? Monster High. Look at these. Oh, Princess. Cinderella. That's S3 to 40. You like that?
I could put it in the bag.
Let me see it. You
Oh,
like that?
you gotta show it to Daddy first. There is Belle right here, but it's 6. But it's a little bit big on her, I think. Or you want Mickey, Minnie Mouse.
You want Cinderella?
She wants Cinderella. Okay. Alright, we got Cinderella. What are you gonna be? Put it on, put it on, put it on. Put it on. I'm a cowgirl. Look at your smile. Nag-change si Troy ng costume. Alright, let's go. Are we done? Oh, wala si ate girl. Oh. Daddy, oh, she wants this one. The Dream Camper. You like this? Oh, well, your birthday's coming up. Okay. Daming mga princesses, oh. Look at this one. This, see, oh. That one. Look at that. It's a Barbie dream house. Wow, tignan nyo yung baby ko. Nando dun sa taas. I want that. I want that for Christmas. I want that for Christmas.
You can ride it, you're small enough.
So, dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Dinala lang, inuwi lang namin yung mga gamit na binili namin. And i-haul ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Kasi, hindi lang Halloween costume yung mga binili natin. Move your hand.
Baby, put your hat.
Huh?
Baby, put your hat.
Huh?
Baby, play. Play the door.
You're okay.
Baby, play the door. It's not. Dada, kuya.
Kuya talaga, inaasar eh. Is Kuya messing with you, baby?
Don't mess with me.
So, stop.
What? It's a rock.
So, stop messing with me, Kuya, please.
Stop messing with me.
Chad, be careful. She might. She's gonna close the door. So, dito na kami sa practice. And yung dalawang kuya nandoon na nakikipaglaro. So. Huh? Yeah, they're playing with their friends, with their teammates. It's okay. Troy, where you going? Okay, hawak niya kasi yung helmet ng isa sa mga kuya. Sissy, come on! What was the mouth for? Nagsisibi si ate. Come on. Stay long. Oh.
No. Mommy, not woods. Woods.
That's what I said. Ay, nakinukorek pa ako ah.
That's what I said.
What did you say?
What?
Woods?
Like that.
Don't scream like that. Ako
Let's
naman
go.
eh.
Yeah.
Oh, pipipi daw si Troy.
What do you say?
Troy's gonna go pipi. Jeez. So, andun si Kuya, andun si Kylo, andun si Chad. Okay. So, iihi daw si Troy. Kaya, ayan, doon sila magpipipig sa ano, sa wood. Yeah. So, ganito lang yung aming ginagawa pag nandito kami nagpa-practice. Nakaka-boring. So, yeah. Ganito lang kami dito. May dala akong jacket kasi medyo malamig na ngayon. Kaya, yan. Medyo nilalamig na nga ako. Tumatay na yung balahibo ko eh. Oh. Makikita nyo yun. Oh my gosh, alam tayo ng balahibo ko. Oh, diba? Nilalamig na ako eh. So, yeah. Ganito lang ang pwesto namin.
Should come back here.
Yeah, he's coming back. Ayun si ate girl, oh. Hala. Oh, that's so sweet. Alam mo, tagal-tagal hindi nakita. 10 years hindi nakita. Yakap pa. Did Sissy give you a hug?
Yeah.
Ang pogi ng anak ko ah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, you give him a thumbs up. Who did you? Did you see how they give a hug? It's like they didn't see it for 10 years or something. Look, it's gone up now.
Up.
Already?
Yeah, look. Look. My hair. It's like, what are you doing? So, lakad-lakad kami dito. Kasi itong dalawang to, sobrang kulit. So, yan. Ikot lang kami dito sa may track and field. Dahil sobrang likot eh. Hello, we're gonna go inside. Yeah. Iikot lang tayo.
Mommy, we are up to high.
We're up too high?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh God, so sleepy. Yeah? Don't touch that. Kasi nakikita niya daw yung kanyang footprint. Come on, go, walk. Pumasok kami dito sa loob. Run daw tayo, takbo. Go, sister. Run. You're going super fast. Nilalamig kasi ako eh. Yeah. Are you tired na? Troy! Hola, look at Troy. Come on, let's go. We need to catch up on Troy. Hindi naman malayo si Troy. Malapit na siya. Ako-zoom out lang naman tayo. Ay, Troy, be careful in there, ha?
Light still on.
Turn it off. So, nandito kami sa car kasi...
I can't read.
Did you buckle up already?
Of course. Me too.
Sissy, go turn it off. Dahil sobrang malamig na sa labas. So, dito kami muna sa car. Kasi malapit na rin naman matapos yung nila. So, ayan. Pero hindi ko naman na-start yung sasakyan kasi nga medyo mainit naman dito. So,
I did it!
good job!
Mommy, now I can eat my nose.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I know.
Yan, dito kami sa McDonald's. Getting dinner. Kasi it's 7:58 na. Huh? Ayan, nasa bed na po si ate girl. Napagod si ate sa kakatakbo kay ganina. And then yun si kuya Are you tired?
No.
Sabi niya sa sasakyan, Mommy, can I go to sleep?
Huh?
You want to drink a water? Okay, go get some water. Go. Get some water. So, si Caleb is done na mag-shower and pinainom ko na rin siya ng gamot. Dahil halos ubo siya ng ubo doon sa practice kaganina. So, ayan, malinis pa din ang room kung makikita nyo. Except doon. Ayan. So, si Chad na yung nasa bathroom ngayon, naliligo. So, ayan na si Kuya. Ready na for bed. Alright, you guys. Good night. Good night, Sissy. Mwah! Good night. Alright, good night. Love you guys. So, hello guys. Pasensya na kayo kung ganyan yung lightning natin. So, this is the next morning. Hindi ko na haul sa inyo yung yun kagabi. Mga binili natin kagabi. And so, yan, i-haul ko sa inyo. Mabilis na haul lang para So, ito, yung Halloween costume ni Troy, medyo walang masyadong option para sa kanya. So, kaya ito na lang yung nakuha namin. Itong Spidey, Spider-Man, Spidey Amazing Friends. So, ayan. So, ito lang talaga yung available. And then, itong Minecraft na to para kay Caleb. So, ayan. And then, may kasama siyang, ano ba tawag dito? Mask. Ayan. Yan, muntikan pa namin mabili yung, itong, na to, na wala yung mask. Buti na lang talaga yung asawa ko, talagang, maano siya sa mga detail. Talagang tinitignan niya. So, ito naman kay Chad. Minecraft din siya. As wala talaga silang other option. Last year kasi nagpunta kami dito talaga sa bilihan talaga ng mga Halloween costume. Kung saan namin binili yung mga costume nila last year. Ilagay ko dito yung pictures nila noong last year na Halloween. So, sa Walmart lang kami bumili ng mga costume nila this year kasi medyo na-over budget tayo sa mga gastusin natin this month. And sobrang marami tayong gastusin this month. And marami tayong mga mangyayari this month. So anyway, so ayan yung kay Chad. Ayan. And then may mask din siyang kasama. And then sa ating princess, so kay princess same thing. Wala ding other option, pero mas maganda na to. Alam nyo ba, ang gusto ni Natalia is witch daw yung gusto niyang costume. Pero syempre ako naman, hindi naman ako papayag na princess yung anak ko, tapos mag-witch, diba? Hindi naman ako papayag. So, ayan, Cinderella siya. So, isa siya sa mga Disney princess, Cinderella. Then, nabilihan namin siya ng shoes. Pero, I think, so, ayan, nakita niyo, hindi pa naman siya bukas. Hindi pa siya kasi, hindi ko pa na-try sa kanya. Ang size nito is 3 years old. Kaya, hindi natin alam kung kakasya sa kanya. So, balik ko lang sa mga plastic. That's so cool.
It's food.
Yeah. Here, why don't you put these back over there in the room? Go. Dali. And then, nakita nyo na bumili kami ng mga meron na silang, aray kung makatimpa ako. Meron na silang basket. Bag talaga siya. Akin na yung sisi. So, ito yung kay Troy. Dahil princess, ayan, pink yung pinili niya. And then, kay Chad at Caleb is itong, itong black na basket na to. Yan, ito. Hala, nasira. Hindi siya nasira. Tanggal lang. Ayan. So, ayan. Pare sila Chad tsaka ni Caleb. Ganito sila. Here. Put that back in here, baby. Give me that one and put that back in here. Baka mamaya masira mo. Wala pa yung Halloween eh. And then, kasi sa school nila Chad and Caleb, nagkakaroon sila ng Halloween treat bags, ganyan. And then, meron din silang para sa December, like, mga Halloween, basta mga Halloween treat bag, makikita nyo na lang paano natin ayusin. So, nakahanap ako, yon. So, ayan, bumili ako, siguro, 6 na ganito, yan. Tapos, yung mga ilalagay natin to dun sa ay nako, naiinis ako sa lightning natin. Tapos, itong mga Halloween ball, ayan. Marami akong binili niyan. You gotta put that back in here. And then, itong eyeball, ano ba ito? Basta, hindi ko alam. Basta, kinuha ko na lang kasi kapag late na ako kumuha nito, mauubos na lahat. So, kailangan ko nang kunin. And then, ito, papakita ko lang sa inyo kasi hindi naman makikita ni Natalia to, hindi naman niya maalala. Itong activity book with na siya, pencil. Binilhan ko sila niyan kasi kasi gusto kong yung laman, lagyan ng laman yung basket nila. Like a simple lang, basta makikita nyo, i-arrange natin yung kanilang basket at lalagyan natin ng laman yan before tayo pumunta sa trick-or-treating. And then, ano pa ba? Ito, si Natalia, bumili siya nito. Medyo mahaba na tong natin. And then, itong stamp na na Halloween design. And then, ito pakala kasama sa kanyang, no. Kasama to sa costume ni Natalia. O, diba? Disney tiara. So, dapat dito, hey, put this in the plastic in your costume. Go, put that in there. Then, ito, binili niya to. Habang kami naglalakad-lakad sa store, siya naman bit-bit niya ito. So, nakakatawa lang siya. Don't put it in there! Mababasag yan! Woo! Naku na nga. Naku naman to si Natalia. So, ayun lang. And then, may mga nabili ako na pang Christmas. O, diba? Ang early bumili ng pang Christmas. So, ito, kasi dahil, gusto ko kasi pag Christmas Christmas Eve, nagwo-wear kami ng, Christmas, family, pajama. Tapos, para pagising in the morning, mag-open ng present and everything, naka-pajama tayo, diba? So, ito ang kinuha namin. Wait lang. So, natatandaan nyo ba si Mama Bear and Papa Bear? So, ayan. Mama Bear pajama. And then, Papa Bear pajama. O, diba? So, syempre, yung mga kids, Little Bear. Ayan, nakalagay, Little Bear. I think lahat sila ata, Little Bear. Yeah, Little Bear lahat sila nakalagay. Yeah, lahat sila Little Bear. So, ayan, ito yung pinaka-ano ko talaga kasi matagal ko na itong nakikita sa Walmart. Pero, hindi ko siya naaabutan kasi nga lagi siyang sold out. So, nung nakita ko siya talaga, sabi ko, ay kukunin ko na ito kasi as in talagang hindi na siya magiging sold out dahil nakakuha na ako finally. So, may mga ano pa to, may mga shoes pero hindi ko na yun kinuha. So, ayun. Ayun lang ang ating haul. So, yeah, ayun lang ang haul natin sa mga nabili natin. So, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video today. And I hope to see you guys again soon. And we will see you guys again sa next video. Bye, guys! Thank you for watching!